Hello students, my name is Divakar Bothra. In the journey of civil services, which goes through sociology, since you are students of sociology, I'll be a chief mentor. There are some questions which crops up in the mind of students. Which options to choose, how to choose, what the benefits, pros, cons and everything. Today in this session of 5 minutes, I'll be telling you why you should choose sociology as your mains optional subject, and at the same time the importance of the discipline of sociology in your selection. As far as the sociology goes, everybody knows there are subjects like public administration, political science, and through and many others. They do have some relevance in your GS paper. In similar manner, even sociology has relevance for your GS papers. You're well aware that in paper 1, GS1, Indian society is a crucial part if your scores of paper 1 has to be very high. 2013 onwards, 13 and 14, there was a trend when the culture dominated in paper 1. From 2015 onwards, if you see paper 1, on an average, if I take, not to be very precise, averagely the score of Indians, the marks for which the Indian society question comes has been 90 to 110. 90 to 110 out of 250 marks is definitely a matter of concern. And if you're really having a good hold of over your Indian society, then it does make a difference in your entire process of selections, where your main score has to be more than average if you have to get into All India rank. Sociology here not only plays a very crucial role in order to score more in paper 1, because sociology is a subject which deals with Indian society. And in this context, your Indian society, if a person is having a background as sociology or optional as a sociology in their mains, then Indian society does not bother at all to the students. You need not even read Indian society as far as that is concerned, if I have to say that. Paper 3, where sociology gets an edge is the perceptions. The perceptions are very crucial as far as your mains is concerned. What exactly I mean by perceptions, ideas? See, there are approximately 9 lakh people who fill the form. Approximately 3.5 lakhs give the examination. Out of that, 12 to 13,000 people get a call for their mains. And the process goes on. So selection ratio comes nearly approximately 0.1% if you have to take that. Sociology consists of different theories, perspectives, dimensions, that these dimensions really help you to write a novel answer. In mains, if you see, I'll explain you this by an example. If I have to write about corruption, there are 10 people, if there are 10 people, 9 will definitely write the usual points. And those usual, because 9 have written the usual points, they do not get an exceptional more than average score. In order to score more than average, you definitely need to inculcate one novel point in your answers. This is where the sociology comes. This is where sociology, by giving you a different perspectives of the regular things, helps you to write the answers which are not only different from others, but at the same time which are really more beautifully analyzed as far as your answers are concerned, whether it's paper 1, 2 or 3. Coupled with this novelty, coupled with the same subject matter in GS mains, one another added advantage of sociology is that those people who give their mains from sociology need not even study for their essay paper. If you look into the trend of civil services essay paper way back after 2012 itself, if you take last 8 to 9 years, every year there is at least one essay, and usually there are actually 2 essays which are having direct or indirect relationship with the subject of sociology. For example, essays like women, poverty, inequality. Beside the subject matter which is common in your GS mains, beside the paper 1 dimensions which I discussed with you, the other added advantage of sociology which no other discipline in my opinion offers is your essay paper. In essay, there has been a lot of consistency in past 8 to 9 years that the essays largely are requiring not only the new dimensions, but are the topics which they are asking for essays are more open-ended, dynamic, but the good the good news for the sociology students is that they are largely having sociological angle attached to it. So the people who are taking sociology as their options need not even study for essay paper, as they, by studying different theories and perspectives which we are going to discuss in the syllabus of sociology, will see not only get the content which is vibrating and dynamic, but at the same time they also can write essay more beautifully when compared to the students of other disciplines. So this was all about sociology. On a last note, what I really want to say here is this, that sociology is really a beautiful discipline. It helps you to understand various issues in a very dynamic manner, which are way different from the regular opinions. As a result of this being a different understanding of the regular things, it builds up an interest in students. Although the subject may be new, but that different dimension which it provides helps students to, the student becomes more excited to study such a content. Now, as far as our classes are concerned, as I said, I'll be your chief mentor in the process of in your journey of sociology. What I really want to say you is this, that the classes which you're going to conduct will not be like a regular classes where there will be one-way interactions. Rather than that, the class will be absolutely interactive, where I'll not only teach you, but at the same time we'll also discuss things. You can ask me doubt on the spot in the class itself, and we'll handle our doubts in a very interactive manner. Coupled with this, what is different in this course is this, that every day after completing a particular topic, suppose we complete topic X today, then I'll give you a question on topic X every day. It's not a weekly test or a monthly test or a quarterly test. Every day you will be given a question, and if you are not given a question, you attempt a question either from the previous year's papers or either from any of the test series available in the market. You attempt that question, and in the next day, at least 20 to 25 minutes, I actually discuss the answers which the students have written in order to tell them where they went wrong, where they were beautiful, or where they were excellent. So this is how we'll be conducting our classes. So the classes, in short, will not be monotonous. We will be interacting. Maybe the medium may be online, but the interactions will definitely be fruitful and really vibrant. Thank you so much, and I request you all to join us for the sociology course which we are starting from 3rd of July. Thank you so much. Happy studying.